Hello and welcome to Digital Dollars. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification so you never miss out on our valuable marketing tips. Let's dive into the exciting world of affiliate marketing. If you've ever wondered how to make money online through affiliate marketing, you're in for a treat. Today, we've prepared a step-by-step guide that will take you from beginner to affiliate marketing pro. Number 10. Comply with legal and ethical standards. Adhering to legal and ethical standards is of utmost importance in affiliate marketing. Familiarize yourself with the laws and regulations governing affiliate marketing in your region or the regions where your audience is based. Compliance with these rules helps maintain your business's legitimacy and protects you from potential legal issues. Always disclose your affiliate partnerships transparently to your audience. Clearly state when you are promoting products for which you may earn a commission. This level of transparency builds trust with your audience and demonstrates your commitment to honesty and integrity. Number 9. Stay updated and adapt. Affiliate marketing is a dynamic field that continuously evolves with changes in consumer behavior, technology, and marketing trends. To stay competitive, it's crucial to keep yourself updated on industry developments, new products, and emerging marketing techniques. Subscribe to industry newsletters, follow thought leaders in your niche, and attend relevant webinars or conferences. Experiment with different marketing strategies to identify what works best for your audience. A/B test different approaches, analyze the data, and adapt your strategies accordingly. Flexibility and a willingness to try new methods are key to staying ahead in the affiliate marketing landscape. Number 8. Build credibility and trust. Building credibility and trust with your audience is essential for the long-term success of your affiliate marketing business. To establish yourself as an authority in your niche, focus on consistently providing valuable content that addresses your audience's needs and interests. Offer genuine product recommendations based on your personal experiences and expertise, as this will enhance your reputation as a reliable source of information. Avoid promoting products solely for the sake of earning commissions, as this can erode trust and credibility. Engage with your audience through various channels, such as your website, social media, and email newsletters. Respond to their inquiries, feedback, and comments promptly and transparently. By actively engaging with your audience, you can foster a sense of community and build stronger relationships, further enhancing trust. Number 7. Track performance and analytics. Monitor the performance of your affiliate marketing campaigns using tracking tools and analytics. Keep a close eye on key metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and revenue generated. Analyze the data to identify successful strategies and areas for improvement. Use this valuable insight to optimize your marketing efforts, refine your content, and focus on the most profitable products. Regularly assess the performance of different affiliate programs to ensure they align with your goals and resonate with your audience. By continuously tracking and analyzing data, you can make informed decisions and fine-tune your affiliate marketing strategy for maximum success. Number 6. Leverage social media and email marketing. Extend your reach and amplify your content's visibility by leveraging social media platforms. Share your blog posts, videos, and affiliate links on popular social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Engage with your followers, respond to their comments, and encourage discussions to build a loyal and active community. Incorporate email marketing into your strategy to nurture leads and maintain connections with your audience. Offer incentives such as free ebooks, exclusive content, or discounts to encourage visitors to subscribe to your email list. Send regular newsletters, product updates, and personalized recommendations to keep your audience engaged and informed. Number 5. Produce high-quality content. Content is the backbone of successful affiliate marketing. Create high-quality and valuable content that showcases the benefits and features of the affiliate products you promote. Incorporate a mix of blog posts, product reviews, comparison articles, and instructional videos to engage your audience and drive interest in the products you recommend. By providing valuable insights and answering your audience's questions, you position yourself as a trusted authority in your niche, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Number 4. Create a website or blog. To establish a strong online presence and effectively promote affiliate products, Create a website or blog dedicated to your niche. A user-friendly website with a clear layout and navigation will enhance the user experience, making it easier for visitors to find relevant information and products. Implement search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to increase your website's visibility in search engine results, attracting organic traffic and potential customers. Number 3. Research and select affiliate programs. Research is key to finding the most suitable affiliate programs for your niche. Look for reputable affiliate networks that aggregate various affiliate programs, as well as individual programs offered by specific companies or brands. Evaluate the commission rates they offer, as well as the cookie duration, the length of time you have to earn a commission after a user clicks on your affiliate link. Additionally, assess the quality of the products or services being promoted. Partnering with reliable and reputable merchants enhances your credibility and trustworthiness as an affiliate marketer. Take your time to choose the best programs that align with your niche and target audience. Number 2. Choose a niche and target audience. Selecting a niche is a critical step in affiliate marketing. Opt for a niche that aligns with your interests, passions, or expertise. Having a genuine interest in the niche will keep you motivated and engaged throughout your marketing efforts. Additionally, defining your target audience is vital for effective promotion. Understand their needs, pain points, and preferences to tailor your marketing messages and recommendations in a way that resonates with them. A well-defined target audience ensures that your content reaches the right people and increases the likelihood of conversions. Number 1. Understand affiliate marketing. To embark on a successful affiliate marketing journey, it's essential to grasp the fundamentals of this performance-based marketing strategy. In affiliate marketing, you act as a promoter for products or services offered by others, and you earn a commission when your referrals result in successful sales or actions. Take time to familiarize yourself with how affiliate programs work, the different commission structures, and the various types of affiliate marketing, such as pay-per-click, PPC, pay-per-lead, PPL, and pay-per-sale, PPS. This foundational knowledge will provide a solid base for your future endeavors. Congratulations! You've completed our step-by-step guide to becoming an affiliate marketing pro. If you found this guide helpful in launching your affiliate marketing journey, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with other aspiring affiliate marketers, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable marketing insights. Remember, with determination and strategic marketing, you can turn your affiliate marketing venture into a profitable online business.